Hey everybody, it's Big Guy from Big Guy Reviews. Today we have a special guest back, Big Booty White Girl. She is here to tell you about a subscription box that she partakes in. It's called Peace and Pages. So I'll just turn it over to her to tell you a little bit about it.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you Peace and Pages book subscription box. They're a newer, smaller box, but they offer a lot of products that are from small businesses, so you're not getting a lot of junk just from China. So let's open it up. On top, you'll always get a spoiler card. It tells you what's inside and who made that item. And we've got things from Colorado, South Carolina, Ohio, and California this month. So the first thing, let's see what's in here. Oh, cute, a bath cupcake ice cream sundae bath bomb. That's adorable. I bet it smells really good. A candle, black raspberry, 100% pure soy candle from Modern Forestry. A watermelon lemonade mix in a really cute mason jar type cup. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, these are pretty. Coasters that look like old-fashioned library cards. Bet people nowadays don't even know what those are. And a coupon if you order from their Etsy store too. Those are cute. A card about the candle company. You can see it's a family-owned business that they're supporting, which is great. And then every month you'll get a box or a book in the box. And this month it's called Let Me Lie by Claire McIntosh. And Peace and Pages uses remainder books, so you're not necessarily going to get a new release, but it's usually something that you may not have picked up yourself. And we will put the link to Peace and Pages in the description below. They have several price points, different options. You can subscribe monthly, bi-monthly, or you can just buy a once-off gift for someone. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you'll check them out because they're a really great company.
Okay everybody, hey, we Average Guy and myself, we've been looking at some data from people that are looking at our videos, and to date we have 0 ladies that have watched the video. So if the ladies would jump in, if anybody could, please subscribe. That would help us out. Thanks. We hope you've enjoyed this review. Have a good one. We'll catch you next time.